In Key Stage 2, that's years 3, 4, 5 and 6, we've made a few more changes. Some classes have recently trialled stopping sending spelling homework home so that we could practice in class, but we found it hasn't been as effective for all children. So we are going to bring back sending weekly spellings home for you to learn, for your children to learn. These will be given out on a Friday, and children should spend at least 4 days practicing their spellings so they can come back, the sheet can come back from the Wednesday of the next week, but they're due in on the Friday. So Friday to Friday to learn their spellings at home, and they will have a spelling test every Friday. In addition, Times Tables Rockstars. Your child should have a login and they are expected to do 10 minutes every day. This is an app that you can get on your smartphone or on a computer, as with Numbots in Key Stage 1. 10 minutes every day to practice their times tables. This is so helpful in their assessments, in everyday life, knowing your times tables. So please help your child and support them to do that. With reading, we expect all children, all the way up to year 6, to be reading every day. And we would like you to sign their reading record to say that they have read at home every day. Just 10 minutes is enough, more would be even better, but 10 minutes minimum of reading every day, thank you. We are also going to publish on our new homework page on the website the lists of spellings that children in year 3 and 4 should know, and also in year 5 and 6. This is to help you have an idea of the kinds of words that your children are learning and should be expected to know. Feel free to test them on them anytime you want. Again, knowledge seekers are available for all children every term, and we really encourage children to take part in finding out more about the subjects that we're learning in history and geography and science. Now, with regards to mathletics, we are no longer setting weekly mathletics homework. However, we have still got our subscription to Mathletics, and if your child wants to do some extra maths, they are more than welcome to log on and complete some activities on there. At the end of each unit, teachers will set some tasks related to the learning they've just been doing, so that if your child wants to access some extra practice, that will be available for them. However, I do just need to let you know that we won't be checking this and we won't be marking the work that they do. It's just there for them to practice. If you have any questions at all about homework, please come and speak to your child's teacher first of all. We really want to work together with you to ensure that your children can prosper and flourish, and home learning is such an essential part of that. On our new homework webpage, as I said, we're going to have a list of spellings, and we'll also have activities that you might like to do with your child and websites that you might want to use to support any extra home learning that you're doing. And again, if you have any questions, please speak to your child's teacher, who I'm sure will be able to help you. Finally, on your child's class webpage, you will find knowledge organisers related to all of the topics that we are learning about each term. You could use these to help you do some extra home learning, for example, going to a museum or visiting places of interest. Thank you once again for all of your support, and please do speak to your child's teacher if you have any questions.